Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one more concept in everything about triangle, that is congruence. What is the meaning of congruence? It means agreement or match. Now why we are studying this topic in maths? Let's understand. Look at these figures. Here in this first figure we can see that these are shaving blades of the same company. These are sheets of the same letter pad. And these are biscuits in the same packet, again of the same company. And these are toys made up of the same mold. Now, if I keep this one blade on the other, they will overlap each other exactly. Similarly, if I keep all these things on one another, then they will overlap each other exactly. This indicates that they are same in size and shape. Now, look at these two figures. Look at these two figures. Are they same? Well, they look same. But if I overlap them, if I try to keep this one on this one, they won't get overlap. Means, however, they are of same shape, but the sizes are different. So, in geometry, two figures or objects are congruent. Two figures or object are congruent if they have the same shape and size, or if one has the same shape and size as the mirror image of the other. Now, these kind of objects, they are called congruent objects. Now look at these two shapes. When you look at them first, they don't seem to be like same. But if I rotate this like this, and now if I try to place them over each other, look at them. They are being placed over each other exactly. So, they are said to be congruent. So we can also say here that two plane figures are congruent if one figure can be moved so that it fits exactly on the top of the other figure. And this is called superposition method. Because in this case, we are moving the other object in such a way that it gets overlapped on the first object. And they will definitely get overlapped on each other because they have same size and shape. So, we can say that congruent figures have the same shape and size. And each part of one figure can be matched with the part of the other figure. Now, these parts of one figure can be angles, it can be intervals or line segments we can say, and it can be regions. So the angles have also same size, their length, okay, their sides or their length, they will also have same length, and the regions, they will also have same area. And all these criteria are making two figures look same in size and shape. And so we can say that they are congruent to each other. So we can say here when two figures like F1 and F2 are congruent, we write F1 congruent to F2. Right? So what we have understood, let's just quickly understand again. We are talking about congruency. Congruency means in geometry, the two objects when they match each other with same size and shape. Two figures can also be said to said to be congruent if we move one figure in such a way that it fits on the first one. And this is called superposition method. So we can say that congruent figures have same shape and size. They match each other with angles, sides, and even regions.